Nation right now, we're up on the countryside, you know? Countryside, beer bush. You there? Yeah, man. That is it. That a leverage, you know? Great little road trip. The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright. Well. Leverage nation, I don't know anything, though. I don't know, say. Eclipse, aka Leverage Boss, and today, you don't know, we are Jamaica. Fresh from Sting. We're just head back. We're gonna go back in a St. Bess side, up on the toll right now. You know? I don't know, say, you have the great one day, you see it? So, we are doing, man. Up on the toll over there right now, we are want to see the journey, you know? You can't look on the road, man. Sheet Hill. Get some jerk chicken. I don't want to spot there, but I'm fling on the pull over because the rain a fall. Watch it. The rain, but we'll try and make a quick run for it, you know? Try and make a quick run for it and see where I'm going. Yeah, Leverage Nation, see it there. Rain on the spur tree. Wrong side will come. Go over the other side for our kid. Spur tree. You can't have a rider, so you can't come through? No? Oh. Walk around still. You're still around side. No. Still around side. Get two quarter.
One piece and one leg.
Yeah.
Crash in the back and the back open. Now go on. Yeah, one chip on the space you need to
Which one is the leg?
leg on side.
Bring this one now, yeah? Yeah, man, Leverage Nation.
Being ready?
Up on the first sheet, jerk chicken. Bad.
Alright.
That is it. Leverage Nation. Right now we are good. Leverage Nation right now. We are going down the great spur tree, you know. Road trip. Leverage Nation. We just stop at Santa. I'm gonna know. Shell the jerry chicken already. So now reach at Santa. Our field package, so we just say yo, we gotta try this out. And me get a chicken for this, so I'm gonna try it out and see. We just feel hungry, is it? Five too bad, huh?
Which one is it?
That I'm supposed to see chicken. Tastes like chicken, but I don't know if that's supposed to be chicken. When you supposed to be chicken. Well, foreigner them no might know, but Jamaicans them know, but them taste it. These one, I'm seeing it, I say, fries taste better than KFC fries. But we'll be back and show you how I'm on the road. Yeah, I'm on Leverage Nation. With time we shell that. Alright, now we're gonna start on the chicken patty. See me? While we're at the road, you know the thing go. Alright now. Bathroom no one simulator. A murder. Ha! Got a leverage. Yeah man. Look how it reach. Beautiful day. Rain dust on fall. And dry up now. Yeah man, full innocent, you know? Road trip. Right now we're up on the countryside, you know? Countryside. Beer bush. You there? Yeah man. That is it. That's a leverage, you know? Great little road trip. Yeah man. Remember, you know, always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, you know? That is it. Big love go some bombs and say out. It's no rain, no it's no rain. It's no rain. That leverage. Hello. Boy, look how I see me that catch it on the vlog. You know, not no man.
Boss one.
I wonder one they are.
Big sweet, say we clean, you know, say we dirty. Yeah.
That to leverage. Right thing go.
Yeah.
You know what it is. easy on the hillside, you know, how would it?
No, me just found Canada.
Yeah, man, we just all a bite and a chill, you know. See where the night take us. Yeah, so
300 back.
I think that I it for the vlog for the day, you know. Until next time, we'll see how I reach and send this. You see, Dr. Levy.